My skin is sensitive and acne prone. Hello and welcome back to Beauty Buzz. Today I will be reviewing the masks from Kiehl's. So here we have 5 masks that are travel sizes. So this box I got 5 masks. One is for pores, the other one is for hydration, and the other one is for firming and radiance, and then this is for defense. This is a defense mask. I wanted to say that my skin is sensitive and acne prone, and it sometimes is oily and sometimes combinational. Each person reacts differently with different ingredients and products. This is my review on how it worked for my skin. People with sensitive and acne prone skin, I think you can relate. Whatever you use on your face, your skin breaks out, and I really wanted to find things that work on my skin, and that's how I started making videos. You can find other videos where I've found the moisturizer for my kind of skin which does not have any allergens or fungal acne triggering ingredients. The first mask I want to talk about is this Clear Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. This is a great mask for pores. This does not get rid of the blackheads, but this really works well on the pores. It is more like a mud mask. This is how it is. It's very thick. With one single application, you can see the reduction in your pore size. It clears all the dirt and sebum and makes the pores appear really very small. This is really a great mask. So for people who are out there, I've been getting a lot of messages where you are asking what you can do for pores. This is a great mask. You can use this once a week and you can see the difference. It's really the main ingredient in it is kaolin. So there are a lot of products which has this. Even Ballet has the same ingredient. So these kind of masks really work well for pores. Even that the pore refining mask from Ballet has the same ingredient, and this product does not have any allergens or fungal acne triggering ingredients, and also it's sulfate free, paraben free, and alcohol free. So this is a really great product for pores. So if you have problem with pores, this is a really great mask to try. It also has anti-aging ingredients like oats and vitamin E. This is a great mask to try. So the next mask I have here is this calendula and aloe soothing hydration mask. This mask really hydrates your skin very well. I did not see much of a difference, but when you use the pore refining mask, it can make your skin dry. So this would be a great mask to use afterwards. It has anti-aging ingredients like vitamin E, citric acid, and ferulic acid. But it is not completely free of fungal acne triggering ingredients, as well as it has 2 allergens, that is limonene and citral. But the fungal acne triggering ingredient is only one, which is castor oil, and it is in a very low concentration. So maybe that's why I did not find any acne popping up when I used it. It went really well with my skin. There was no reaction as such. These when I say the fungal acne triggering ingredients, there are lots of ingredients like shea butter, olive oil, and many other ingredients that might be good for the skin, but for few people these can cause fungal acne, but for few it will work really great, and it will hydrate your skin, and it will help with the overall skin texture. So you'll have to try out the products and see which ingredients work for you and which do not. So I think the fungal acne triggering ingredient, which is castor oil in this, works okay fine with my skin. I did not find much of a difference while using this mask. This is a hydrating mask, so that's all I have to say about this mask. If you ask me, will I buy it again? Probably not for the price tag, but I will empty the box, this one as such. Then the next mask we have here is the ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask. This is a really great mask. you use it for one night, and the next day I could just feel my skin, the texture was good. It got rid of all those tiny bumps on the forehead and the cheeks. I think it really works well with clearing the texture. This made the skin very clean and plump, and it also made it bright. This has the same anti-aging ingredients like vitamin E, citric acid, and ferritic acid, but it also has ingredients like almond oil, shea butter, and candelilla wax, which are fungal acne triggering ingredients, but they worked well with my skin. I did not have any acne popping up, and it was really great. I really love this mask very much. All you have to do is use it at night, apply it on your face, and after 5 minutes just wipe off the excess on your face. After 10 minutes, it is given here. After 10 minutes you wipe off the excess and sleep. Tap the rest of the product onto your face and sleep. So when you wake up, you will feel the difference. It is a really great mask. I really love this mask. It made my skin better, like it was brighter, and it got rid of all those small tiny bumps that are on the forehead. They are not actually acne or whiteheads, but they are these tiny textured kind of skin. So it got rid of that, and it was really nice. So this is a great mask, and it has allergens like linolene and citral, and but all of those are in less concentrations. Maybe that's why it did not create any problem, and all the good ingredients showed their work in the mask. So this is a really great mask. So the next one we have here is the Kiehl's turmeric and cranberry seed energizing radiance mask. This mask also works very well for the pores, maybe because it has kaolin in it. Yeah, it does have kaolin in it, and it also it brightens your skin, maybe because it has brightening ingredient like ascorbylic glycoside, and it also has UV protection ingredient, that is the titanium dioxide. It has these tiny it looks like a mud mask. It has this, I think it is the cranberry seeds, small tiny beads, and it is a thick mask. You have to apply it on your face and wash it off after 5 minutes. This was good. It works like the same as that of the pore clearing mask, but this has few fungal acne triggering ingredients, that is cranberry seed oil, jojoba seed oil, and polysorbate 60, but this did not create any problem. It went well with the skin, maybe because cranberry seed oil works well with my skin, and they were in cranberry seed oil was in of high concentration, but the other were not. But it is allergen free, and it works well for the pores. I think it works, it does brighten the skin. This is also great for pores, so if you have the concern of pores, I suggest you go with this one than this one, because this does not have any fungal acne triggering ingredients as such. So the next mask here we have is the cilantro orange extract pollutant defending mask. This mask really brightened my skin, I would say considerably a lot. I could see the difference. My skin was glowing, though it does not say anything. It does say defense against impurities and replenishes skin. I really felt that this brightened my skin and made me glow. It has anti-aging ingredients like vitamin E, citric acid, and ferulic acid. It has fungal acne triggering ingredients like shea butter, glyceric, stearate, olive oil, sunflower oil, kernel oil, rice oil, and also few allergens like limonene, linalool and citral, but in low concentrations. But I think one of the fungal acne triggering ingredient did not work well with my skin. I got 2 to 3 small tiny bumps come up near my cheeks, so I was not very happy with this mask, but it did brighten my skin very well. As I said, the fungal acne triggering ingredients might work on few and might not work on few. So if you ask, will I use this anymore, I would say I will complete this box. I will use it. It was not very, the breakout was not very harsh. They were tiny, small, tiny breakouts. They were gone within 2 days. So I will finish this, but I will not buy it. Apply this mask at night for 10 minutes and wipe off the excess with the tissue, and tap the product that is on your face. Avoid sun because it contains alpha hydroxy acid in it. So if you are using this product, minimize the exposure, sun exposure, and try to use sunscreen if you're going out. So that's it for the masks. So if you are thinking of buying a mask, you could go for the smaller sizes and try all of them and see for yourself what works well for you. Pore cleaning mask here is free of all the allergens and fungal acne triggering ingredients. So this would be a safe buy if you do not want to try all of them. So I would recommend this product. And this mask, my sister, she really likes this because it's very much moisturizing, and this one is my favorite because it really makes the texture of the skin so good. And this one is similar to this, so I think it does brighten your face a little bit, but this one really brightens your face very well, and I would go with this for if I have it did cost me 2 to 3 small breakouts, but I would use it again. This was the review on the Kiehl's mask. This is what they have shown in the packaging as to how you can combine the masks and use it. It also has the other combinations here that you can use together. I appreciate if you could support my channel by subscribing to my channel, and please give a like if you have found anything informational in my video, and press the bell icon so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. So have a great day, and till next time, bye bye.